Yo, what's good, everybody? Jordan here, back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna be breaking down a trade that I took this morning on CADJPY. I took buys off of the 1 hour time frame, closing me with 18 pips and a little bit over $300. So let's just call it 300 flat. So without any further ado, make sure you guys smash the like button, and if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, and let's get into it. All right, so basically, I always like to say this. What I love to look for, though, on the 1 hour in the mornings is just a simple, nice push. Give me some type of volume. We'll change this, we'll make this yellow. I like to see just some type of volume, I don't know, within the hours of 12 to 4, in between 12 and 4. If I could see an impulse between 12 and 4 during the early hours of London session, then I could feel nice and comfortable with taking that, and seeing if there will be a setup or a pullback within that region. Something that like to really watch out for, though, is that the impulse move, whether it be to the upside or the downside, has to break structure, meaning it has to break a set of highs in this case, or in another case it has to break a set of lows, but this case it's a set of highs. Let me erase this green box as well. So like I said, impulse push to the upside, breaking a set of highs, leaving area for price to come back to retest the current structure that it just broke. So from there, and also I did leave out the fact that I love to always make sure that my higher time frames always align with each other. So if I'm looking for buys on a lower time frame, if I see from the 1 hour, then immediately I'll go to the higher time frames, the monthly, the weekly, and the daily, and I'll see, okay, I'm looking for buys, bullish structure. Buys, go to the daily, bullish structure, 4 hours looking, like it's bullish structure. So from there, flip back to the 1 hour, and I'm like, okay, I can wait for my pullback, and from there I'll just wait a little bit, chill. Sometimes I won't actually sit on the charts. I'll just wait until I get my pullback, and then from there I'll go to the 15-minute. So let's play it out a little bit, see what's going on. The 15-minute, 6 o'clock. I was just getting on the computer, honestly. So from there I saw a nice deep pullback, also testing my EMAs that I have here, also testing structure that we just broke, making that our new area of support, which was previously our area of resistance, broken. Now we've made that into support. So with that being said, we've tested the support, going down to the 15-minute, and from there I'm like, okay, let's see what's getting down. Let's see what's going on in the 15-minute. Can we create an area of structure? Can we create some type of area that can be broken and retested to where I could set my limit and then get in my move? So at this point, 7:30, 7:45, I do know that we had some news, some red folder USD news at 7:30 this morning. So from there, I was just kind of chilling a little bit, and I was like, okay, well, I start seeing a little bit of structure, some area of support off of the 1 hour. Now that we've hit that area of support, we can go down to the 15-minute and see the area of support forming in greater detail. I like to stick to the 15-minute. Anything below the 15-minute, it gets a little squirrely for me. So from there, I see these highs, right? It's a little weird right now. Let me just adjust that. But I see these lows and this set of lows. Apparently I like the color yellow today, but I see those sets of lows, and I know for myself and my strategy that I must break those lows to go any higher in the direction that I'm looking for. So from there I play it forward. Anytime that I'm looking for these areas to be broken, I love to see an engulfing strong candlestick that I just feel is comfortable with my edge, and I've back tested over time, and that's usually my entry. That's usually my signal that I like to look for me to set my limit. So like I said, I get that. That's engulfing enough. I don't know if you know anything. If you don't know much about price action, that's an engulfing candlestick. And so from there, because it's engulfing, because it's broken these set of lows and highs and these lows over here as well, it is again proven to break this area of resistance, now making it an area of support. So from there, I can feel comfortable with setting my limit at or near the area of support, or I'm sorry, the area of resistance that it just broke. And I can feel comfortable with, just letting it play out and seeing if price is actually going to, trigger me in that move. In this case, I don't think it was like a full 2-to-1. But nonetheless, although I do like to look for a 2-to-1, I always take profit, at least a little bit, if not the full position, at the negative 27. And so that's exactly what I did. And so from there, again, like I said, I want price to come down and retest the area of support, retest the area of resistance that it just broke. So from there, I'll set my position up something like this around the 382. Put my stop loss around here. And even though I did place it here, I didn't take profit here. I waited a little bit until I could try to get a little closer to the 2-to-1, which is around here, around 19, 18 pips. At 18, I took my profit and whatnot, but nonetheless, let's let this play out. There's your entry. Put a nice rejection off of the area of support that it just formed. Then we get another engulfing looking candle. And honestly, like sometimes back like last year, if I see this type of engulfing candlestick as it's starting to form, not as it closes, but as it forms, I'm closing position right now, honestly, and I don't know if I'm like re-entering or I don't know what I'm doing, but in this case, I held it. I'm pretty proud of myself for that. I think that's like a step of progression, you know, at least comparing it from how I was last year, and just letting my moves play out, and just kind of, you know, seeing what my real edge is. And from there, you know, we get a nice engulfing candle from there, and honestly from there we get and our TP is hit. And you know, that's the trade, you guys. Like I said, I like to go for, and I like to aim for a 2-to-1 trade, but in this case it was a nice little 1.89, not exactly a full 2%, but that's okay. We'll take it. It was a good entry, really good entry system. I like the nice engulfing candlestick, you know, especially something that breaks structure, breaks the resistance, now making it support. That's our level, you know, that's our entry, that's my edge that I like to look for, and that's what I like to get off of. So anyway, you guys, I appreciate you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys learned something here today. Didn't want to make this video any much too longer than this, I don't even know if that makes sense, but I didn't want to make it too much longer. Just wanted to get the breakdown, the full breakdown. A little bit, you know, over $300. I think it's like 300 flat, especially with commissions. So a nice little base hit, you know, not every single day is going to be a home run. We'll take the base hit. We'll take the $300. We'll take the 1.89 to 1 trade, not the full 2%. And I'm going to go enjoy my day. I'm going to edit this, make a thumbnail probably, and, you know, go see what else I got planned for the day. But anyway, without anything else, I appreciate you guys so much again for watching this video. If you guys have any questions, make sure you hit me in the comments. If you feel free to do so, and if you have any other questions, make sure you hit me up on Instagram or anything like that. Again, I appreciate you guys so much for watching the video. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button and hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.